Hello Kaki 極速答你問題，講數 chord 你個 chord 有咩問題？其實問題不大，不過你撳 chord 嘅時候咧，G chord 啦，大聲少少先啊 ，OK G chord， 咁跟住咧下一個 chord 咧，我建議你咧係咁樣撳 ，OK， 咁咧一手指咧就喺第六線第二格 F sharp， E 隻就喺第三線嘅第二格 ，OK， 做呢個 chord， 呢個音。A 音嚟嘅 ，OK F sharp A 第一 ，OK 跟住 ，OK 再嚟 ，OK 咁你見我都係 keep 呢兩隻手指嘅做法。咁咪係咁 loop， 好啦，咁到呢邊啦。好啦，落上。OK， 呢度好，咁跟住咧，呢個係個 first 啦 ，intro 啦，你可以咁彈啦。咁其實我想講一講咧嗰個 chorus 咧就你可以做呢一個效果嘅。咁我哼一哼啊，唱得衰唔好怪我。You're beautiful. OK. You're beautiful. OK. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. G，sorry， 我彈咗。I saw your face 呢度啦。In a crowded place. 2, 3, 4. And I don't know what to do. 2, 3. 'Cause I never been with intro. 咁途中咧，你點樣帶動個 dynamic 咧？咁其實好跟你自己嗰個一路彈一路唱咯。咁主要我覺得係呢邊你可以用呢個方法去表達啦 ，keep 翻呢兩個音。咁呢個 G 音啦 ，D 音啦 ，OK，G 啦，呢個係D， 跟住 root 係 F sharp 啦，跟住 E7 係 E7 啦，跟住 keep 呢兩個唔係 keep 呢兩個 C+9，OK， 咁希望幫到你啦，好快脆嘅啫，有咩唔明再 inbox。漏咗啦啦啦嗰段嘅，不過好簡單嘅，整埋先。啦啦啦啦啦 ，E7， 啦啦啦啦啦，翻返去 C9， 啦啦啦啦啦，滴滴嘟嘟比嘟嘟，跟住翻去。You're beautiful, you're beautiful， 就係咁啦。OK， 幫到你呢，希望有咩 inbox 啦，拜拜。